Hi class, welcome to week 4. Before we get started into week 4, I want to recap on week 3. We talked about study skills, great conversation in the discussion board, great interaction about different schedules and different study skills and what it takes. Thank you for sharing your best practices for study skills. We talked about reading to learn, we talked about test taking skills and time management. I saw some great schedules. Alberto blew it out the park. He submitted a pie chart and he broke down his time by minutes and had a great schedule. Excellent job, Alberto. You guys did great on that assignment on 3.2. I loved those the schedules. Now, I hope that you took the time to create these schedules, that you will use those schedules to kind of manage your life and manage your time and your study time, okay? That's the whole point of the exercise. It's not just to turn in. All right, let's go into week 4. We're going to be talking about problem solving. But before we get directly into problem solving and what we need to go over for the week, I want to talk to you about your grades. This is the last 2 weeks of your grades. You have week 4 and week 5, and we're done, right? You need 700 points to pass this class. So you need to make sure that you're submitting everything, even the missing assignments. Because again, some points is better than no points. And you want to get to that at least to 700 points. You want more than 700 points to have a good grade. But if you want to pass the class, you need 700 points. And that means you need to turn in any missing assignments. Now, you can't go back into discussions and submit discussions, but you can submit any missing assignments. Contact me if you're having any technical difficulties or any issues that's hindering you from completing your assignments, because I want everyone to pass this class. Now, also this week, we have what's called an end-of-term survey. And we want to hear your feedback about our classes and the instruction. We actually read those. We actually submit them to our administration, where we make decisions to improve our classes and our instruction. So it's really important that you guys fill out the end-of-term survey in each of your classes, and particularly this class. So take a few minutes to click on end of term survey and complete that this week. And it's in your week 4 assignment, listing, okay? Now let's go on and talk about what we're going to do this week. So we have 2 topics, and they are important topics. It's critical thinking and problem solving, right? Those are skills that you need to, number 1, finish your degree, and number 2, you're going to need those skills when you start your career. A lot of employers want to know, can my employee solve a problem? Do they think critically? And what does thinking critically means? That means you're thinking through a process, you're thinking through a problem and solving it, and you're coming up with good solutions. Every employer wants to know that you're able to do that. So in this week, we're going to talk about that. You're going to practice some critical thinking activities. You're going to analyze and evaluate information, learn how to do that. And then you're going to watch a video on problem solving. And then in your discussion, you're going to go into that in a little more detail about how you've solved complex problems in your life. And what process did you use to solve those problems? Talk to one another. Share best practices with one another about how you solve problems. What method do you use? How do you think through a problem? Or maybe you don't think through a problem. Maybe you just react. I don't know. But I want to see what you say about how you solve problems. And then let's talk about how we can improve our problem solving skills. And then to wrap it all up, assignment 4, you only have one assignment this week. Assignment 4 is an actual scenario where you have to read through the scenario and give your idea of what you would do in that situation and problem solve it and give the best solution for it. Okay, so you're going to submit assignment 4 with your solution. Now I want to talk to you a little bit about next week. Monday is Labor Day, right? Don't wait to submit your discussion board on Wednesday. So you can we're still open. You can still go online and submit your discussion board on Monday, even if that's the only thing that you do. Okay? So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns or any issues that you need to discuss with me, do not hesitate to contact me. Okay? All right. You guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.